Hi guys, in this video I will show you how to download and install the Twitch app on your mobile phone step by step. Whether you're using an Android device or an iOS or an iPhone, this guide will help you get the Twitch app installed and ready to use in just few minutes. Twitch is one of the most popular live streaming platforms for gaming, music, sports, and creative content. If Twitch is not available on your phone yet, or you're installing it for the first time, this guide will walk you through the step-by-step process on how you can get started with Twitch. Just make sure you follow me to the end of this video to get it all. And if this video is helpful to you, please do well to like, subscribe, and leave a comment. Now let's get started. So now the first step you have to take now is to go over to your Play Store. That's if you're using an Android device. But if you're using an iPhone or an iOS device, then you have to go over to your App Store. So let me tap on my Play Store since I'm using an Android device. So let me tap on Play Store. You can see my Play Store is opening. So once your Play Store opens up, what you have to do right here now is to search for Twitch, and you can do that by tapping on the search icon at the bottom. So let me tap on it. Then let me go ahead now to tap on the search bar at the top. So let me tap on it. Then what I will do now is to type in Twitch. So let me do that, TWITCH. Then let me tap on search. Right there you can see the Twitch app right there. You can see it. Let me tap on it so you see it clearly. So guys can see the Twitch logo, you can see the name right there, Twitch live streaming. So what you have to do now in order to get this app into your phone is to tap on where you can see install. So let me tap on install right away. Right there guys can see the Twitch app have started downloading. As you can see there, it is at 27%. So let's wait till it gets to 100%. Then once it's fully downloaded, it's going to start installing automatically. So let's wait for a few seconds. You can see it's downloading. It's at 50% now. Right there guys can see it has gotten to 100 and it's now installing. Wow guys, you can see the Twitch app has been installed. You can see it right there written installed. So what I can simply do now is to go ahead now to tap on open to open up the Twitch app. So let me tap on open. You can see guys the Twitch app is opening. Right there guys can see we have successfully downloaded and installed the Twitch app onto our phone. So the next step now is to either log in, that's if you have an account already, or sign up if you're just using the app for the first time. So guys, this I can be able to download and install it, and I believe this video was helpful to you. Please do it to like, subscribe, and leave a comment. See you in the next upload.